Ever felt like your schedule was a runaway train? Juggling clients, bookings, and your sanity? You're not alone. Whether you're a hairstylist, a personal trainer, or running any service-based business, managing appointments can be a nightmare. But what if I told you there's a way to tame that chaos, to put your schedule on autopilot, and to even get paid faster? Today, we're diving deep into Square Appointments, a powerful tool that can revolutionize how you run your business. Let's be real. We've all been there. That missed call from a client, the frantic scribbling in a paper planner that's inevitably lost, the double booking disaster that leaves you apologizing profusely. It's not just stressful, it's costing you money. Every missed appointment, every delayed payment, every minute spent on manual admin is a minute you could be spending growing your business, doing what you love. And in today's digital age, your clients expect seamless experiences. They want to book online, get reminders, and pay with a tap. They want convenience, and if you can't provide it, they'll find someone who can. That's where Square Appointments comes in. It's not just a calendar. It's a complete appointment management system designed to streamline your operations and boost your bottom line. Think of it as your virtual assistant, working 24/7 to handle bookings, send reminders, process payments, and more. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you actually set this up? Don't worry, it's surprisingly straightforward. First, you'll need a Square account. If you don't have one already, head over to Square's website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Once you're in, navigate to the Appointments section. You'll see a dashboard with various options. The first step is setting up your business profile. This is crucial as it's what your clients will see when they book. You'll want to enter your business name, address, contact information, and a brief description of your services. Make sure to upload a professional logo and high-quality images of your work or your space. This builds trust and gives your clients a sense of your brand. Next, you need to define your services. This is where you list all the services you offer, along with their duration and pricing. Be specific and detailed. For example, instead of just haircut, you could have women's haircut, men's haircut, haircut with style, and so on. For each service, you can also add a description, upload photos, and assign it to specific staff members. Speaking of staff, you'll need to add your team members to Square Appointments. This allows them to manage their own schedules and bookings. You can set individual availability, assign specific services to each staff member, and even manage their permissions. This is especially useful if you have a larger team with varying skills and schedules. Now, let's talk about availability. This is where you define your working hours and days. You can set regular hours for each day of the week, and you can also add custom hours for specific dates or events. This flexibility allows you to accommodate any changes in your schedule and ensures that your clients can only book appointments during your available times. One of the most powerful features of Square Appointments is its online booking capabilities. You can create a booking website that allows your clients to easily schedule appointments online. You can customize the look and feel of your booking website to match your brand, and you can even embed it into your existing website or social media pages. To set this up, go to the online booking section and follow the prompts. You can choose a custom URL, select a theme, and add your logo and images. You can also choose which services are available for online booking and set any booking restrictions. Now, let's talk about client management. Square Appointments allows you to store client information, including their contact details, appointment history, and notes. This allows you to personalize your services and build stronger relationships with your clients. You can also send automated reminders to reduce no-shows and keep your clients informed. To manage your clients, go to the Customers section. Here, you can add new clients, edit existing client information, and view their appointment history. You can also send emails and text messages directly from Square Appointments. And of course, let's not forget about payments. Square Appointments seamlessly integrates with Square's payment processing system, allowing you to accept payments online and in person. You can set up automatic payments for recurring appointments, and you can even send invoices to your clients. To set up payments, go to the Payments section. Here, you can connect your bank account, set up payment methods, and view your transaction history. You can also enable features like automatic tipping and card on file. Now, let's address some common questions. What if you need to block out time for yourself? Easy. Square Appointments allows you to create personal events, such as lunch breaks, meetings, or time off. These events will block out your availability, preventing clients from booking appointments during those times. What about recurring appointments? Absolutely. Square Appointments makes it easy to set up recurring appointments for clients who need regular services. You can set the frequency, duration, and end date of the recurring appointments. And what about reporting? Square Appointments provides detailed reports on your appointments, sales, and client activity. This allows you to track your performance and identify areas for improvement. You can view reports on your total sales, appointment volume, and client retention. One of the most powerful features to really get into is the integration of Square Marketing. You can set up automated email and text campaigns to remind clients of upcoming appointments, offer promotions, and request reviews. This is an incredibly powerful tool for boosting client retention and driving repeat business. To set up marketing campaigns, go to the Marketing section. Here, you can create email and text templates, set up automated campaigns, and track your results. You can also segment your clients based on their appointment history and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.